Good day, everyone. Today, I will present a brief history of my town, Pototan, known as the Christmas capital of Western Visayas. Pototan has a rich cultural and historical background. Let us now take a quick look at how the town began and developed over the years. Pototan was originally called Kaputatan, named after the abundance of putat trees, Barringtonia asiatica, in Barangay Naslo by early settlers led by Dato Ramon, a descendant of Dato Puti, who later moved and established the settlement near the Suwagi River. When the Spaniards arrived, they found the name hard to pronounce and shortened it to Pototan, which became its official name. In 1593, Spanish Augustinian friars arrived, converted the early settlers to Christianity, and formally established the town as parish, renaming it Pototan. In 1874, Don Juan Marcelo became the first captain municipal, marking the beginning of formal local governance. In 1891, the town experienced a major cholera outbreak during the leadership of Captain Rolio Peñaranda. In 1894, the Camposanto de Pototan Cemetery has built, featuring its historic limestone arch. During the late 19th century, Pototan also took part in the Philippine Revolution, including the notable hero Teresa Magbanua, known as a Joan Arc of the Visayas. In 1929, the municipal building was established as a center of local government. In the 1950s, the old Spanish Tribunal building was converted into the Western Visayas Hospital. In 1969, the tradition of Christmas lighting in the town plaza began, which later became the famous Iwag Festival. In 1997, Pototan was officially declared as the Christmas capital of the Western Visayas. Teresa Magbanua, born on October 13, 1868 in Pototan, Iloilo. She was the school teacher who became a military leader known as the Visayan Joan of Arc. She was the first woman in Panay to join the Philippine Revolution and the only woman to lead the combat troops in the Visayas during the revolution. Pototan is a first-class landlocked municipality in the province of Iloilo, located in the western Visayas on Panay Island. It is about 30 kilometers away north of Iloilo City and 16 kilometers away from Haniway. It is bounded by Dingle, Saraga, Marotac Nuevo, New Lucena, and Mina. Pototan has a land area of 97.1 square kilometers and lies at approximately 10 degrees 57 minutes north, 122 degrees 38 minutes east. As of 2024, it has a population of 78,919 across 50 barangays. Its terrain consists of flat lowlands, gentle hills, and fertile plains suitable for agriculture. Pototan is famously known as the rice granary of Panay. Agriculture dominates the economy, with most residents engaged in rice farming and related agribusiness. It serves as an important agricultural hub in the province. Iwag Festival. Iwag Festival is held every December around December 16 to early January. Gave Pototan the title Christmas Capital of Western Visayas. Iwag means light. It symbolizes hope, faith, and unity. Pototan becomes the center of celebration. Features LED lights, festive decorations, fireworks, night markets, and cultural shows. Another festival that's celebrated in Pototan is Parayan Festival. It celebrates the rice harvest and honors the earth's bounty. It features the traditional rituals, dances, music, Thanksgiving activities, and community events that showcase the Pototan's roles as the rice granary of Panay. Aripahol. Aripahol is a traditional rice cake delicacy from Tuburan, Pototan, Iloilo, made from glutinous rice, coconut, and sugar, often served during fiestas and special occasions. The people of Pototan, known as Pototanons, primarily speak Kinaraya, which is their main language used in daily life, while Hiligaynon is widely understood and used as a secondary dialect for communication, education, and interaction with neighboring countries. The San Jose Parish Church is the most prominent historical site in Pototan, established in the late 19th century with earlier Augustinian roots. It serves as the town's spiritual center and reflects its strong religious heritage. And Maples Farm, located in Barangay Bakakay, about 2.4 kilometers from the town's plaza, offering farm tours, photo spots, a cafe, and a peaceful environment focused on sustainable farming. What makes Pototan different? Pototan is known as the rice granary of Western Visayas, with most of its lands used for rice farming, making it a major rice producer in the region. It is also the Christmas capital of Western Visayas because of the Iwag Festival, where the town is filled with colorful lights and celebrations every December to January.